What settings should I set the Edgeguard Mini for grass seed? Don't let Scotts Edgeguard Mini broadcast spreader's name fool you. The Edgeguard Mini can hold up to 5,000 square feet of lawn products, like fertilizer and seed. With dial settings from 2 to 15, this broadcast spreader can handle a wide range of different sized products. When applying grass seed for a new lawn, or repairing bare spots, set the orange dial to 13. For overseeding applications, set the dial to 7.5. Using your Edgeguard Mini broadcast spreader correctly will ensure accurate, even coverage and reduce wasting costly seed. Edgeguard Features. Scotts' patented Edgeguard feature can be used to stop the spread of lawn care products along sidewalks, flower beds or any surface. The adjustable slide lever on the backside of the spreader can be moved to one side or the other to block the spread to the right or left. The Edgeguard Mini automatically adjusts the rate of flow to compensate for the smaller range. By applying product only where you want it, the Edgeguard helps to reduce waste, cleanup and environmental impact. How to use. To get started on spreading your grass seed, first fill the hopper, or the main bucket, with seed. Turn your dial to the appropriate setting for new lawns or bare spots 13 or overseeding 7.5. To apply the product, begin walking at a slow pace of approximately 4 feet per second. You may want to practice this so that you begin to get a feel for the correct pace. If you walk too slowly, more products will be used. If you walk too fast, the seed will be spread too thin. Do not pull the trigger first and then begin walking. This will dump a large portion out before the agitators start rotating. Start walking and then pull the trigger. Application tips. Scotts Edgeguard Mini broadcast spreader has a swath width of 5 feet. Applying grass seed evenly over your lawn can be tricky with odd-shaped areas. For rectangles, apply 2 header strips along each end for a place to turn around, and then walk back and forth using your wheel line as a guide to where the last track was laid. For irregular shaped areas, apply 1 strip of seed around the entire perimeter, then walk back and forth using the pre-laid strip as a turning point. When turning around in any situation, make sure to let go of the trigger. After application. Once you have spread your grass seed evenly, sweep off any grass seed that may have gotten on sidewalks or pathways, or in flower beds. This step is important especially if you applied a starter fertilizer after the seed. Fertilizer left on sidewalks can wash into storm drains and ultimately into groundwater. Remove any remaining product in the spreader and replace it back into its original bag. Wash out all residues over the lawn and store your Edgeguard Mini in a dry location.